Chào mừng các em đến với kênh Just for Kids. Welcome to Just for Kids channel.
Vegetables.
Spinach.
Spinach.
Spinach needs water to grow. Carrot.
Carrots. Carrots can be eaten raw. Cucumber.
Cucumber.
The cook cuts cucumbers into slices.
Potato.
Potato. The little girl is harvesting potatoes.
Cabbage.
Cabbage.
You can find many cabbages in the market.
Broccoli.
Broccoli.
Broccoli. Broccoli is one of the most beautiful vegetables. Bean.
Bean. Young bean plants are sprouting from the soil. Pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
We decorate pumpkins on Halloween. Tomato.
Tomato.
Tomato. You can eat a tomato raw like a fruit.
Vegetables. Tomato.
Tomato.
Cabbage.
Cabbage.
Spinach.
Spinach. Carrot.
Carrots.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Cucumber.
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 Potato.
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 Bean.
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 Broccoli.
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 Vegetables.
Vegetable.
Broccoli.
Broccoli.
Broccoli. Potato.
Potato.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Spinach.
Spinach. Tomato.
Tomato.
Cucumber.
Cucumber.
Carrots.
Carrot.
Cabbage.
Cabbage.
Bean.
Bean.
Vegetables.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Awesome.
Cabbage. Choose the picture that goes with the word. That's right.
Pumpkin. Choose the picture that goes with the word.
That's right. Carrot.
Choose the word that goes with the picture.
You did it.
Cucumber. Choose the word that goes with the picture.
That's right. Broccoli. Choose the word that goes with the picture.
That is right.
Potato.
Vegetables. Tomato.
Pumpkin. Bean.
Cabbage. Carrot.
Broccoli.
Potato.
Spinach.
Cucumber. Vegetables.
Các bạn nhớ đăng ký để xem những đoạn phim khác nhé. Remember to subscribe for more videos.